Good morning. Welcome to World History, a survey of the modern world. I'm Mr. Brosek, and I'm going to be your classroom teacher this year. However, I've had to leave early today and will not return until Friday. Miss Frank will be filling in for me. Some of you know me very well, and some of you don't know me at all, so I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. This is my 28th or 29th year here at Cedar Bluffs. I have two children. Cody, he is on the coaching staff at the University of Notre Dame in the track and field department. And then I have a daughter, Carly. That's where I'm at today. Carly's getting an award today from her university. She's a senior at Northern State University, majoring in English, and plays softball at Northern State. And she's getting an award tonight that Mrs. Brosek and I need to be at. And of course, I've been married to my wife for almost 30 years, and you might recognize her. She teaches third grade here at Cedar Bluffs. For those of you that have been my students in the past, you know what my philosophy is, but for those of you that are new to my classroom, I have a very simple philosophy about school. You and I must accept both and fulfill our roles. You as students and I as your teacher have to accept that you are a student and I am the teacher, and we do what teachers and students need to do. I also believe that we should treat others how we wish to be treated. I can promise you I will treat you with respect, and I expect you to treat me with respect. We also have to be aware that there's consequences to all of our actions. When I return from South Dakota on Friday morning, I will have quite a few papers to grade. That's the consequences of me being gone for 2 days. You just have to accept the consequences of the actions you decide to take. World history, some of you are thoroughly going to enjoy, some of you are not going to enjoy this course, but to the best of my ability and to the best of your ability, you have to enjoy the educational atmosphere. You have to enjoy learning. What do you need for this class? Well, you need a great attitude. That's the first thing you need. Secondly, you need to bring your binder and writing utensil every day. We will take notes just about every day. And I have some students that choose not to take notes, and that's okay, that's up to you. But I would highly recommend that you take notes. You'll also need your textbook. Every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday you'll be getting homework that's based off your textbook, so make sure you have it with you. You'll also need a computer that the school has lent you for the year. Make sure you have that with you. We take notes using the Cornell system of note-taking, where you draw a line down 1/3 of your page, and you write questions on the left and you write answers on the right. It's a pretty effective way of taking notes, and it'll help you stay organized. If you're new to my class, students that have had me in the past can show you how this is done. Let's look at some procedures we have in my classroom. During a typical class, we're going to take notes. We usually start off with a brief review, then go into about 15-20 minutes worth of note-taking, followed by either an activity or a film, followed by time for you to work on your assignment. In regards to notes, I try to help you as much with note-taking as I can. All questions will be written in blue, and answers to questions will be in any other color besides blue. I will tell you that if it's on the test, it is in your notes. I never take questions from the book. I only take questions from the notes. In regard to a typical week, assignments are given every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. This week is unique because of the uniqueness of this week, but beginning next week, assignments every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and tests every Friday for last day of the week. There will not be a test this Friday because of the short week. But after this, a test either on the last day of the week or on the Friday of the week. And we never have assignments over the weekend. Miss Frank will now Miss Frank will now start a movie and then pass out some books for you so you can begin on your assignment. And I will see you on Friday.